Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Economics Lesson 1 Production. Economics is a branch of social science focused on the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. The father of economics is Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the father of economics. Now, production. What do you mean by production? Production means the action of making, manufacturing from components or raw materials or the process of being so manufactured. Production is a process of combining various materials inputs and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. Now, distribution. Distribution is a way total output, income or wealth is distributed among the individuals. Distributed among the individual is called as a distribution. Now, what is called consumption? Consumption is defined as the use of goods and services by a household. That is called as a consumption. There are two main activities in an economy: production and consumption. Similarly, there are two kinds of people: producers and consumer. Who is called producer? Producer are people who make goods or provide service. Who make goods or provide service is called as a producer. Who is called as consumer? We are a consumer. Consumer is a individual who pays some amount of money for the thing required to consume goods and services. Consumers play a vital role in the economic system of a capitalist economy. So, production is a process of changing the raw materials into the finished product. Are you clear, children? Production is a process of changing the raw materials into the finished product is called as a production. Production in economics refers to the creation of those goods and services which have exchange value. It means creation of utilities. What is called as a utility? Utility means wants satisfying power of a product. Wants satisfying power of a product is called as a utility. So, utilities are in nature of form utility, time utility and a place utility. So, these are the types of utility. What are the types of utility? Form utility, place utility, time utility. What is called as form utility? If the physical form of a commodity is changed, its utility may increase. That is called as a form utility. Example, if cotton increase, it is converted into clothes. Cotton increases. If it is converted into clothes, it is called as a form utility. Place utility. If a commodity or a goods is transported from one place to another place, its utility may increase. If a rice or a wheat transported from one place to another place, the utility will be more. For example, if rice transported to Tamil Nadu or to Kerala, the utility will also be more. A wheat transported from Punjab to Tamil Nadu, its utility will be more. So this is called as a place utility. Now, time utility. If a commodity is stored for future use. If a commodity is stored for future usage or a use, its utility may increase. Agriculture commodities such as pulses, spices, wheat, paddy, etc. are stored for a regular use of consumer throughout the year. That is called as a time utility. Now we are going to learn about the types of production. There are 3 types of production. They are primary production, secondary production, and a tertiary or service production. First, primary production. What is called as a primary production? Primary production is carried out by an extractive industry like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, and oil extraction. This and all primary. So this is called as a primary production. The next type is a secondary production. Secondary production includes production in manufacturing industry, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from the raw materials. The raw materials converted into semi-finished and finished goods. That is called as a secondary production. Now, third type. What is the third type? The third type is a tertiary production. That is also called as a service production. Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumer. These services are supplied to the firms in all types of industry and directly to the consumer. Who is called as consumer? Consumer, we are the consumer. The consumer means the people who buy things. They are called as a consumers. So for example, if you take one example means sugar cane. Sugar cane is produced in agriculture field. This is a primary production. Sugar cane is produced in agriculture field. This is a primary production. To get sugar, we take sugar cane, isn't it? If you want sugar means how the sugar is produced? From the sugar cane. So to get sugar, we take sugar cane to the sugar factories. Isn't it? We take the sugar cane to the sugar factories. Using the machine, we produce sugar. By using the machine, we produce sugar. This is a secondary production. So the sugar industries are known as a secondary sector. Sugar cane is a primary production. Sugar industry is a secondary sector. It is a secondary production. The industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumer. These industries include traders, banking, insurance, education, administration, health, defense, etc. These and all come under the tertiary sector. So today what we learn means what is called as a production, who is called as a consumer, what are the type of production and the types of utilities. Are you clear, children? Thank you, students.